Hello, friends. Welcome back to Options to Get Rich. And let's quickly look at some of the trades which I had recommended in the past. You can check my previous videos for the same. I had recommended Hind Copper, and I have told very clearly that 165 will act as a crucial support, which it is not going to break on the lower side, and from there it has bounced back today. It has touched 184, and I'm targeting new highs in this in June series, so it should move higher in the coming series. Okay, and is my trip which I had recommended at around 235 levels. It has now touched around 298 and came back to 78. I have booked my profits at around 290, and I'm now out of this trade, but I will definitely add it back close to 250. If I get an opportunity, I'll try to add it back at around close to 250. Okay, another stock which I had recommended was Butterfly. Butterfly also has done well. I had recommended the share at this line, which you see here. And from here, it has gone all the way till 925, and now it is retracing back. Okay, and now let's look at some of the new trades. Basically, past is past. Let's look what we have currently in hand. Okay, so let's look at ONGC. I am interested in this share at this point of time, and what you see here is that the stock is forming higher highs and higher lows than this high and then this low and this same high. It make a double top here and it has retraced back. Okay, now I see this is a trend line resistance here, which you can see on a daily line. I expect this to be crossed, and it will again go till here. So you should target the first target for this should be around close to 120, which I'm expecting in June series itself. So it should move to 120, and if this trend line is broken, then we can see a massive move on the upside. If this trend line is broken, we can see a massive move on the upside, which can take the stock all the way till 136 level. Oh, sorry, 125 level. That is the first. This is the first resistance which I see, and if this is crossed, then we go to 133. Okay. Another stock which is of interest is PFC, Power Finance Corporation, and if you look here, this stock is also forming higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, and this high it has broken today and given a close exactly at the previous high. And now I accept this stock to move from here. First level will be this 124. I'll just mark it a horizontal line for you. This is my first target from 120.5 to 124, and the second target which I assume here is around 130, which is here. Once stock starts trading about 125, we can see 130. So this is the target we are expecting in this particular series. It can go easily to 130. So that's a 10 rupee target you can keep. And what should be the stop loss? Stop loss should be today's low of this candle itself. We will not take a bigger risk. So we will take a stop loss. Ideally, your stop loss should be this one, which is 116.3, but you can keep a stop loss of this candle itself. Okay, let's look at another stock, which is Canara Bank. Now this is Canara Bank. Okay, so here also I have marked certain higher highs and higher lows. You can see here stock was in a continuous downtrend here because of corona, and before that also it was in a downtrend. If you go to the past and see it's in a downtrend. Now the stock has just started forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, and then a higher high, then a higher low. And the stock has again shown momentum on the first day of the series, and you can see here this level it has crossed comfortably today. Okay, so I expect this stock from here to move till 174 very easily, which is close to around 14 rupees to 13 rupees to 14 rupees, which you're going to get. And this trend line is also going to get broken, which I'm quite confident that this will be broken. And this is the resistance you may see, the first resistance, which comes at around 183. So you can see a resistance at 183, 184 level, sorry, 184, yeah, 184 level. So this stock can move all the way from 162 to 184. It may not go in a straight line. There may be days, as you can see here, zigzag movement. Stock always follows a zigzag movement. You see here up, down, up, down, up, down, and now it has moved up. So you can see a movement here, and it can come down, again up, come down, again up. So ideally strategy, if you see it in a down move, you can accumulate this stock, you can add and keep a stop loss of 148.7. This should be a stop loss and this should be a target 184. Okay, so this is what we are targeting. So you can plan. Ideally you should buy on dips, and now 153 should act as a good support. 153 should act as a good support for this particular channel. Okay friends, this much only in today's video. I will try to recommend some more stocks in the time to come. Thank you and have a great day.